control failure. Contact SAAB dealer. And then turn this down. There. And then you try to turn the key, crank it, does nothing. Turn it off, out. You can hear the steering lock unlocking and locking, but nothing. It just does the same thing. Traction control, and the gas needle should go up, but if I bump it while it's on, and the lights are on, you see the gas needle there. I just bumped the starter, and we've got fuel and gas, and of course the traction control is still on. When I turn off the key, and I can crank it now. If I turn the key on, there's gas. I don't have to bump the starter anymore. This will work for 10 minutes. And if after 10 minutes you go through the same situation where you can't crank it. So it's running now. And then now we don't get the traction control, and everything passes. Let's see. Well, it's already done it. It said pass. Let me turn it off and then crank it up again. Take the key out, put the key back in, turn it on, it's checking, check OK. So everything works as long as you bump the starter, and some magic happens when you bump the starter. Maybe it sends power to the particular modules, but it does not do it. It will go back to the same situation if you let this car sit for 10 minutes. It's all normal now. Put some kind of timer in here, some security maybe issue or something like that. But seeing it has the traction control issue leads me to believe that it's the ABS module in communication to the ECM under the hood of the car, because this key talks with this SIM module behind the steering wheel, and then it talks with the ECM, but also they, I guess, talk with the ABS module too. And I've been reading online about the issue that other people have the same issue, and somebody resolved it. A couple of people, I think, resolved it by changing out the ABS module, or sending out their ABS module to some place like BBM remanufacturing, because if you get a different ABS module, you have to get it use the Tech 2 device to get it mated to your car. At least that's all I know about this situation, but anything can help me, that would be great. Take it easy.